7 Easy Ways to Make Money Online for Beginners Part 2. How these apps and platforms work. Welcome back to Part 2. In Part 1, we talked about 7 easy ways beginners can make money online. But maybe you are asking, how do these platforms actually work? Where do you start? What do you do inside the apps? And most importantly, how can you turn your skills into real income? In this video, I will explain it step by step. Number 1. Fiverr. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where people sell online services to customers around the world. For example, you can sell YouTube scripts, video editing, graphic design, translation, SEO writing, social media content, AI-assisted content services. Here is how it works. First, create your Fiverr account. Then create a service, which Fiverr calls a gig. For example, I will write an engaging YouTube script for your channel. You choose your price. A beginner could start with a small package while building experience and reviews. Then a customer searches Fiverr and finds your service. If they place an order, you receive the customer's requirements. You complete the work. You deliver it through Fiverr. After the order is completed, your earnings become available according to Fiverr's payment and clearance rules. The important thing is this: you're not paid simply because you created an account. You earn when customers purchase your service. Number 2. Upwork. Upwork works a little differently. Instead of only creating a gig and waiting for customers, freelancers can search for jobs posted by clients. For example, a client might post, "I need someone to write 5 YouTube scripts." You read the job. If you can do it, you submit a proposal. Your proposal explains who you are, what you can do, why you are suitable for the job, and how much you charge. If the client chooses you, you complete the project according to the agreement. For beginners, don't apply to every job. Choose jobs that match your skills. Create a strong profile. And write personalized proposals. Number 3. YouTube. Now let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is different because you build an audience first. You create a channel. Choose a niche. Then upload videos. For example, 7 easy ways to make money online. How to use AI for beginners. How to grow on YouTube. When people watch your videos, your channel can grow. You can potentially make money through YouTube's monetization programs when your channel meets the applicable requirements. But YouTube income doesn't have to come only from ads. Creators can also use affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products, services, memberships, and other eligible features. The important lesson is, don't focus only on making money. Focus on making videos people want to watch. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Now let's understand affiliate marketing. Imagine you have a YouTube channel about technology. You make a video about a useful tool. The company has an affiliate program. You join the program and receive a special tracking link. You share the link with your audience where permitted. Someone clicks the link. They purchase the product. If the purchase qualifies under the affiliate program's rules, you receive a commission. So the basic process is, find a useful product, join its affiliate program, create helpful content, share your tracking link, earn commissions from qualifying sales. But remember, always check the affiliate program's rules. And be transparent when you are using affiliate links. Number 5. Selling digital products. Now let's talk about digital products. This is another interesting online business. Imagine you know how to create YouTube thumbnails. Instead of creating one thumbnail for one customer, you could create a collection of templates. Then sell the templates online. Other examples include ebooks, Canva templates, study guides, planners, AI prompt collections, business documents, online courses. The process is simple: create, upload, promote, sell. The difficult part is creating something people actually need. So don't ask, "What can I sell?" Ask, "What problem can I solve?" That's a much better business question. Number 6. Social media management. Now imagine a small restaurant owner. They have Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, but they don't have time to create content every day. You can offer to help. You could create posts, write captions, edit short videos, schedule content, reply to comments, and organize content ideas. You can start by creating sample posts. Then approach small businesses. Show them what you can do. If they like your work, they may hire you. You can charge per project or negotiate a monthly service depending on the work. Number 7. AI tools. AI tools can also help you build online services. For example, you can use AI to help generate ideas, research topics, organize information, or create first drafts. You can combine AI with skills such as writing, video editing, marketing, research, design, YouTube content. But there is one important rule. Don't just copy AI output and call it your finished work. Review it. Correct mistakes. Add your own ideas. Check facts. Make it natural. The human part is still very important. AI can help you work faster, but your judgment and creativity create the real value. The best way to start. If you are completely new, don't download 20 apps and try everything. That can waste your time. Instead, choose one path. If you like writing, start with Fiverr or Upwork. If you like making videos, start with YouTube. If you have an audience, consider affiliate marketing. If you can create useful resources, try digital products. If you understand social media, offer social media management. If you know how to use AI effectively, build an AI-assisted service. Your 30-day plan. For the first week, choose one skill. During the second week, practice that skill every day. During the third week, create examples of your work. During the fourth week, start looking for customers or building your audience. Don't expect thousands of dollars immediately. Your first goal can simply be, get your first customer. Then get your second. Improve your service. Build your reputation. And gradually increase your prices as your experience and results improve. Final message. Making money online is not about finding one magical app. The app is only the tool. The real money comes from solving problems for people. Fiverr connects freelancers with customers. Upwork connects freelancers with clients. YouTube connects creators with audiences. Affiliate platforms connect creators with products. Digital product platforms connect sellers with buyers. And AI tools can help you work faster. So don't ask, which app will make me rich? Ask, what skill can I learn that people are willing to pay for? That question can completely change your online journey. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe, and comment part 3 if you want me to explain how to get your first online customer as a beginner.